Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're anything like us, then you love washi tape. It's the unsung hero of the crafting world. It's repositionable, it comes in literally thousands of patterns, and it's almost impossible to mess up. Have you ever wondered what washi tape actually is? It's a decorative adhesive from Japan, made from traditional fibers like hemp or bamboo. Unlike regular plastic tape, washi is translucent, tearable by hand, and the best part, completely removable. You can peel it off walls, paper, or tech without leaving a single sticky mark. They have beautiful designs. Basically, it's a sticker in a roll form. Whether you're organizing your planner or DIYing your room, it's the ultimate low-risk, high-reward craft tool. Stop letting washi tape collect dust in a drawer. I'm going to show you 5 ways to inject some washi magic into your room in under 5 minutes. Give your favorite pens or pencils a custom boutique look with this 1-minute washi hack. Just lay a strip vertically down the length of your pencil or pen and wrap it around. Use your thumb to smooth out any bubbles for a perfect seamless finish. You can use one pattern for a classic look or tear it up with a patchwork effect and go for a boho vibe. Vertical or horizontal strips, it's up to you. It doesn't just look cool, it also adds a nice grip and makes your stationery impossible to mistake for someone else's. Washi tape stickers are a brilliant way to rescue those leftover scraps, transform the rolls you aren't quite feeling into stunning collages, or simply turn your absolute favourite patterns into custom stickers. First, grab a piece of grease-proof paper. This is going to be our non-stick backing. Take your cookie cutter, I'm using a heart shape, and place it on the paper. Use your marker pen to trace an outline. Now here's the pro tip moment. Don't just trace the shape. At one edge, draw a small tab sticking out. Think of it like a little handle, and trust me, trying to peel a homemade sticker without a tab is a total nightmare. That little bit of extra paper is going to be your best friend in about 60 seconds. Next, start layering the strips of your washi tape across the area where your shape is. Make sure the strips overlap slightly so they stay together as one solid piece. Once your shape is fully covered in washi, we need to seal it. Take your clear packing tape and lay a smooth layer right over the top of the washi. This gives you a sticker that's nice and glossy finish and keeps the washi from peeling off the backing. Now grab your scissors. We're going to cut our shape by following the marker lines we drew earlier. Cut right through all the layers, the clear tape, the washi and the grease-proof paper. Peel the tab just a tiny bit to separate the layers, then trim the edges of your sticker once more for a clean, sharp look before smoothing down the backing paper back down. And because of that tab, you won't be picking at the edges for 10 minutes trying to get it started. Just like that, you've got a stash of pre-made, unique stickers ready for your next project. Just peel back that tab, stick it in your journal, and you're good to go. Custom stickers, zero frustration, happy crafting. I rent this house, and I've got a 1-minute hack to hang some art on the walls that won't get you in trouble with your landlord. Because are you tired of bare walls but terrified of losing your security deposit? Well, yeah, me too. But fear not, fellow renters, for your landlords will not suspect a thing. All you need is some washi tape, a humble paperclip, and a magnet. First, use a small strip of washi to adhere the paperclip to your wall or cupboard. This tape is like the ninja of adhesives. It's strong enough to hold, but it leaves zero trace when it's time to disappear. Next, place your cherished photo or postcard right over that hidden paperclip. Now for the magic. Take a small magnet and simply snap it onto the front, and ta-da! It grabs the paperclip through your picture, holding it securely in place. The best part, you can swap out your pictures faster than you can say, I need my security deposit back. No holes, no sticky residue, just instant customizable decor. It's renter-friendly, quick, and surprisingly, it's chic. So go ahead and embrace those blank spaces. Your walls and your wallet will thank you. Since we've been adding some art to our walls, let's take a look at this light switch. These generic plastic light switches are a bit of an eyesore, but they don't have to be. I'm using my floral washi tape to run a single strip along each side of the switch plate. I'm hoping that it will look like a delicate painted border framing my wall. It takes 30 seconds, costs a few pennies, and unlike paint, it peels right off when you want a change or you're on the move. It's a great renter-friendly upgrade. So stop staring at plain plastic, go and give your switches some personality. Got a plain houseplant pot that's looking a little bit meh? Let's give it a designer look with some washi tape. Just wrap 1 or 2 horizontal rings of tape around the rim or the base. I love mixing patterns for a handmade look. This is also easiest to do on those straight-sided plant pots. It's moisture resistant enough for indoor plants, but the best part, when you change your mind, you can swap the tape in seconds without the mess of repotting. Instant style, zero stress. I even think your plants will thank you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this gave you some inspiration for your washi tape stash. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more quick decor hacks. Which was your favourite? Drop a comment below. Happy crafting and see you in the next one.